Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in NIFTY Index futures and options today. Let us see what happened yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 20-minute candlestick chart for NIFTY Index futures. Yesterday the market opened here 17,280. Like expected, the market opened with a very big gap down. But after the price opening, because of profit booking, you could see the price had recovered. Slowly, steadily, the price took support near 17,360 and various resistance around 17,420. Finally, the price came and closed near 17,370. So what we can do for today? Today you can expect the market open somewhere near the yesterday's high of 17,440. So price opening is subjected to changes since we are recording and posting this presentation much earlier. So what we can do for today, wait for the price to show some sort of bounce back again. You can go for selling till 17,520 by placing stop loss near 17,540, expecting the market to continue its selling to reach various target marked as possible support. Still we can expect the market to continue its selling. And how we can do this in the option market? The option chain what you're seeing is for September month monthly expiring contract. In this you can select 17,200 put option strike. Whenever the price hits any resistance, you can buy this put option with a 50-point stop, and you can expect the value to increase once the underlying asset decreases. Kindly open trading account with Goodwill and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For account opening, you missed call to 937 927. Take care. Bye.